Ever feel like you're doing everything right, eating clean, counting your calories, working out, but the scale just isn't budging? Hey, you're not alone. Here's the wild part. The problem might not be your willpower or your workout routine at all. It could actually be your gut. Yep, I'm talking about the trillions of tiny microbes hanging out in your belly right now. These little guys make up your gut microbiome, and trust me, they're kind of a big deal. Recent science shows they can seriously mess with or even boost your fat-burning power. Let's break it down. Your gut microbiome is like a bustling city. Some citizens help you break down food, others make vitamins, and a few even influence how your body stores fat. If your microbiome is out of balance, maybe from too much processed food, stress, or even lack of sleep, it can signal your body to hold on to fat, crank up your cravings, and slow your metabolism. Not what you want, right? But here's the good news. You can start turning things around with a few simple, gut-friendly swaps. First up, probiotics. I'm talking about yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or a quality probiotic supplement. These foods introduce good bacteria into your gut, and that can help rebalance things in your favor. Next, fiber. Think beans, berries, oats, and leafy greens. Fiber is the food your gut bacteria love. When you feed them well, they help you burn more fat and feel fuller, longer. Let's not forget stress. I know, easier said than done, but stress can actually mess up the good bacteria in your gut and make weight loss harder. Even 5 minutes a day of deep breathing, meditation, or just a walk outside can help keep your stress and your gut under control. And finally, sleep. A solid 7 to 8 hours gives your gut time to rebalance, repair, and get you ready for the next day. Less sleep, more cravings, more fat storage, and more frustration. So look, if you're stuck on your weight loss journey, don't just blame your diet or your discipline. Show your gut some love. Add a few gut-friendly foods, manage your stress, and catch those Z's. Little changes, big results. Ready to give your gut the attention it deserves? Hit that like button if you learned something new, and drop your favorite gut-friendly food in the comments. Remember, your healthiest self starts from the inside out.